We don't want to compromise on the students' education because students are not going to waste 1 year of theirs because of this COVID-19. That's something that is completely unacceptable.
Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss a video from Sunstone University.
As I already told you, for 2019 students who are in their third trimester, we are anyways conducting all of their classes online. So again, all of us hope that this situation should not drag for too long and lockdown should not continue for, let's say, June or July. And having that, I'm just keeping my fingers closed that we should come out of lockdown as soon as possible. So if we come out of lockdown, obviously we will start our classes as per the schedule in July. If, let's say, God forbid, we are not able to come out of lockdown, then we will start our classes online as the current students are also studying. We don't want to compromise on the students' education because students are not going to waste 1 year of theirs because of this COVID-19. That's something that is completely unacceptable. I'll just quickly cover it again. We have two payment models. One is a pay after placement model and second is a money back guarantee. In pay after placement model, you initially pay 1.25 lakh rupees as registration amount. After that, for next two years, you don't pay anything. Once you get a job, and then you pay 10 times of your monthly salary as your fee. In the money back guarantee model, you pay 3.15 lakh rupees, which is again divided into a fee structure of every 3 trimester. And then that's your fee in the money back guarantee model. If we are not able to provide you with an employment opportunity by the time you complete your MBA, then we will refund and return all the fee that you have paid to us. Our students were supposed to go on their internship, summer internship from April first week. And by March or end of February, all of our students were already placed in the summer internship and they were just waiting for their third trimester to get over so that they can honor their internships. And they could not honor their internships. And I would really congratulate our corporate relation team that they did a phenomenal job, and all of the students, all of the 300 students are right now working in one or other work from home opportunities, and many of these, like more than 50% of these opportunities are paid internship that students are doing, and the quality of work is also very good. So kudos to the corporate relation team on that. In fact, the good thing or the funny part is that there are a lot of students who are actually doing multiple internships at this point in time. Actually, this is the perfect time to do MBA because right now you are in downturn. There are no jobs. So there is no point of you actually going out in the job market and figuring out that there are no jobs. Rather, it's the time for you to upgrade your skill, work on your skill for 2 years, and 2 years later when the job market will be on uptrend, there will be many new jobs which are available for freshers. At that point in time, you will be graduating if you take admission right now.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss a video from Sunstone University.